Let's write another simple query. For example, say we wanted to know if a user was an administrator or not. We might have an isAdmin query. So let's head to our query root type and add a field isAdmin. And isAdmin will resolve to either true or false, so we want to make this of the data type Boolean. So we'll set it to graphene.boolean. We'll make a resolver for isAdmin. And remember that the name of the resolver has to be prepended with resolve and also written in Snakecase. Once again, it takes self and info. And for now, we'll have it return true. So to execute this query, we'll replace hello in schema.execute with is_admin. And if we save schema.py and try executing this, we get an error. We get an attribute error saying none type object has no attribute items. This is somewhat of a cryptic error, but this indicates that we have a syntax error somewhere. Note that we correctly wrote the field in Snakecase as well as the resolver name in Snakecase. However, GraphQL operations passed to schema.execute, or wherever they're executed, by default must be in Camelcase. So we have to remove the underscore and add a capital A. So if we save and run this again, we no longer have the error and we get the correctly resolved value. This is important to note that we have one syntax convention for working with Python and Graphene and another for executing our GraphQL operations. Note that if you want to override this behavior, you can add to the last argument of graphene.schema auto_camelcase set to false. So when you do this, all operations must be written in Snakecase, otherwise you'll get an error. So if we change isAdmin to Snakecase, then it resolves correctly. This is important to note, however, as we're creating this application, I'll leave it as the default and use Camelcase.